English Standard 5, Chapter number 26, Water in the Well. What a farmer needs most for his fields is a good source of water. Water is very important. Kasim had his eye on a well that was just outside the boundary of his field. But Ahmad, the man who owned the well, was a crafty old man. Crafty means clever at achieving one's aim by indirect or deceitful methods. He wouldn't allow anyone to draw water from his well. He told Qasim, "Why do you come to me again and again to beg for access to my well? I feel sorry to turn down your request every time. I have a suggestion for you. Collect some money and buy the whole well from me." Qasim thought over the suggestion and liked it. He knew Ahmed would ask for a lot of money, but he saw in his mind's eye channels of water running from the well through his field and made a decision. He took all his savings to Ahmed and bought the well. The next day, he went to well happily and dug out a channel. But when he began to draw water, there was a surprise in store for him. Channel means a length of water wider than a strait, joining two larger areas of the water. Suddenly, Ahmed came forward and announced, "What are you doing, Qasim? How dare you touch the water in my presence?" "What do you mean? Haven't you sold this well to me?" "Ah, I sold the well all right, but not the water in the well. The water still belongs to me. You can't use it. If you needed the water along with the well, you should have said no. I have a suggestion for you. Pay for the water separately and use it. You can buy fresh water every day. I don't mind." Qasim was shocked to hear Ahmad's argument. It was so unfair, so unjust. He rushed to the Qazi and told him the whole story. Qazi is the one who dispenses justice, the one who gives justice. He rushed to the Qazi and told him the whole story. The Qazi was a wise man. He told Qasim to bring Ahmad to his court so that he could hear both sides of the case. Ahmad was summoned to the court. The Qazi heard his argument patiently. "Hmm, I see that you are right. What you have sold is the well. The water is all yours. Isn't that so?" Qasim's heart sank. When he heard the Qazi's words, Ahmad in his heart, Ahmad in his heart to hearts was overjoyed. He had never thought the Qazi would side with him. "My lord, I am so grateful you understand the fine points of this case. The water does indeed belong to me. In that case, Ahmad, why are you keeping it in Qasim's well? You have no right to keep your belongings in his property. You must remove them immediately, or else you can pay a daily rent to Qasim. Then he will allow you to use his well." Ahmad was so confused that he did not know what to say. All the people present in the court began to laugh. But Qasim was a generous man. He never troubled Ahmad for the rent that was due from him. So, children, Water in the Well is a story of Qasim and Ahmad. Qasim was a farmer and he had an eye on Ahmad's well as that would help him to channelize water to his fields. Each time Qasim would beg for access to Ahmad's well and his request would be turned down by Ahmad. Finally, one day, Ahmad suggested to Qasim that he could buy the well from him. Qasim, who liked the idea, which he considered beneficial, bought the well at the cost of all his savings. So the next day, Qasim went to his own well and dug out a channel to draw water. Ahmad questioned him how he dared to touch the water in the presence of father, continued that he had only sold the well to him and not the water in the well, which still belonged to him. But that is wrong. He even put forward a suggestion that Qasim could pay him for the water separately on a daily basis and use it. A shocked Qasim rushes to the Qazi. As I told you, Qazi is the one who gives justice, who heard the argument patiently. So the Qasim's wisdom comes to light when he tells Ahmad that he had no right to keep his belongings in the water in Qasim's property. Qasim's well, no? He had bought it from Ahmad. So he cannot keep the water in Qasim's well. He also instructed him to remove the water immediately or he has to pay the daily rent to Qasim, after which Qasim would allow him to use the well. But did Qasim behaved like Ahmad? No. How was Qasim? He was generous. So a confused Ahmad was left speechless. But Qasim, who was very generous, he never troubled Ahmad for the rent. He allowed him to take the water from the well. So I hope children you have understood the lesson. Here are certain question answers. You have to write it in your notebook and read the lesson carefully. Thank you.